Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Wilson baby, aka the makeup plug, and I'm back again with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. And today I got a new do, and I'm feeling myself, boo. Okay. But seriously, I'm loving this hair. I only ordered from, I say, like 2 or 3 hair vendors, and one of them is VIB Beauty Hair. And I'm gonna put the information in the description box down below. But I love this hair. I have 3 bundles and a closure that I bleached myself. If you guys did not see that video, go look at that. It is literally my last video. But y'all, this hair is popping. And so the hair I have in today is the kinky curly hair. I have in a 20, a 18, and a 16 for 3 bundles in my closure, a 14-inch closure. But y'all, I am loving this. And the only thing I put in it is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture and some gel by Garnier Fructis. And this hair is so beautiful. It has not tangled or matted up. This is the back, and I actually doubled the wefts while I was sewing it on. But yes, y'all, I am loving this hair. It's very lightweight. This is only my first week wearing this hair, so I'm gonna come back probably 2 more times. Since this is the first week, I'm going to come back in about another 2 weeks for an update, and then I'll say a month and a half update. 1 month and a half update. Yeah, I'm gonna do like I'm gonna come back in 2 weeks for an update, and then I'm gonna do a 1 month update just to keep you intact about this hair, because this is my vacation hair, y'all. If y'all already know, I'm about to go on vacation. Okay. Yes, y'all, this is my vacation hair, so I had to look right, and VIB Beauty Hair got me together. I'm gonna link everything about this hair in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I didn't want to keep this too long, but yes, installing this hair was really easy. I did it on a dome cap, and I double wefted my hair because these are actually big wefts. I wish I would have showed you guys. I didn't think about it till now, but this hair is actually very beautiful. But I'm gonna come back for a 2-week update and a 1 month update. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. For my initial review, I do love this hair, and I'm going to keep up with it. With curly hair, you actually really do have to maintain your hair. You have to understand how to do it, what you're doing, and the products that you're using. So please be cautious. When you get curly hair, you have to maintain it. You have to treat it like you're really your own natural hair. Like, if this was your natural hair, how would you treat it? You can't just wet it and go. Like, you really have to put product in. You have to be careful when detangling it. Like, you have to treat it like your own hair. So I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back to you guys in about another 2 weeks, and I'm gonna let you guys know how the hair is doing. But VIB Beauty never disappoints me. I bought this with my own money, so it's not sponsored or anything like that. But I love this hair so much. But I love this hair personally. So yes, I'm gonna link everything in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.